Artificial intelligence is everywhere, transforming industries and enhancing the capabilities of professionals across every field. Our micro-credential, Introduction to Machine Learning in Python, aims to equip you with the skills to implement and evaluate machine learning solutions, enhancing your ability to contribute to the rapidly evolving AI field. Hi, I'm Dr. Joe West, and it'll be my pleasure to help you navigate this very exciting journey. Throughout this micro-credential, you'll build your skills as a Python programmer, so that you're ready to apply machine learning to a range of challenging real-world problems using healthcare as our focus. By the end of this course, you'll be able to write Python programs that load, manipulate, and save real data, applying pre-processing methods to enable machine learning to solve real-world problems. Really looking forward to meeting you and supporting you on your learning journey. Together, we'll explore the potential of machine learning in healthcare and how it can make a real difference in the world.